everybody, it's me again. I know I have been absent for a few days. I am sorry for that, but I was... Let me just get it a little bit... yeah, now you can see. So I'm a bit sick, unfortunately. So, and yesterday we were busy, so I was busy and sick. So today I will take the time and do my advent calendar. I started number 14. That didn't went so good. So I can show you the clip here. Hello everybody, it's day 14 and because I feel a little bit off today and I've got a migraine, I think it is coming. I will do this quick today and tomorrow maybe I will do it quick too, but then I'll take my time again. So 14, Merry Mischief. Let's have a look. So it's my throat is hurting. It's a pink background and I guess it's maybe a reindeer or something. It's brown, a brown animal. And number 14 from my custom-made calendar. Looks like more buildings. So we have the ice skating and now the buildings. Okay, then I will start doing the jigsaws. You know what? I can't concentrate. I'm sorry. You will get this later. I think I will go to bed now and I will solve this one tomorrow. And maybe in 2 days. Depends on when I fit again. I'm sorry. Bye-bye. So, yeah, I gave up. So I've got this still here on my table. I've got no other jigsaw here, so today I can do the jigsaw right on my table. So I will do them today, and then we can open number 15. I didn't open that. So, okay. I will try and do everything for itself and then try to connect them. So this is also very much brown and I think buildings and all this, so I will do this. And I've got a mamba taffy, so I will put this on a pile here and then we'll open number 16 already. So next week is Christmas, and then my advent calendar is over, which is a bit sad because it is fun to do it, really. So I've got another taffy in here, and brown and oops, a little blue. I think it's not my taffy. So it's a bit sky and all this. So it might be above the edges. We'll see. So those are my bags. I will put them away. Just tidy up a bit. Okay, so this will go on a pile over here. I put the 13s here, still undone. And the 15. Oh, no. Look at that. Actually the 17. This one just... Oh no! I just cleaned everything. So, okay, so here we've got the 15, and it looks like, I don't know, maybe a sloth. Yeah, maybe this will be a sloth or something. So, and then we have the 16. So as I told, my throat is getting again. And this can be tiger. Maybe a tiger. No, maybe a reindeer. No, a tiger. No, we will see. Reindeer, tiger, something orange and purple, but the animal isn't purple, so. Okay. Sorry. Okay, then I will do the jigsaws. This will take a little bit longer today because there are 3 of them. 6 of them, actually. So, okay, let's do the jigsaws. Okay, so we have a sloth here, and he is wearing a nice Christmas sweater. So he's looking a bit, well, unamused. Maybe he doesn't like Christmas. And this one, where I thought it might be a tiger, turned out to be a corgi. So he's there, he's got a little crown, and all of his doggy stockings, and here's his bone. And here you can see a picture of the queen, and I wonder if they did that before she died or after she died, so who knows. A reindeer. So reindeers for themselves are pretty festive, and this one has got little bells on his antlers. So, and look at how he looks on his carrot. Okay, so those were the Gibson ones, and here we have the 3 parts of the custom-made calendar. So as you can see here, still buildings with a bit of decoration on them with the Christmas lightning. You can see the top of a Christmas tree here. Okay, that was one part. On this one you can see a lot of flags. Welcome to Sue's Fun with Flags. Well, we have a lot of flags here, but they are just in simple colors, so no flags of any countries. And Christmas lightning here. We will try to connect them in a minute. And here we have the bit with the sky and skyscrapers. So I think it might be the Rockefeller Plaza at the end, because you know you've got this ice skating area and the skyscrapers, but we will see in 8 days. Okay, let me get the jigsaw and then we try to connect that. Here we are. Then let's have a look. This. Okay, We have to put this a little bit down here, so I think we can park this over here. Yes, look, that's nice. So this fits here. That looks very nice. So the next thing, I guess, will be this one. Oh, sorry. Oh. And this one will go here. Okay. I don't know where this. We have a. Okay. So, and this one is the edge. Now I have to ask myself is if it fits, and it does. The paper's just big enough. So, and we still got this, and oh yes, we can look at that. Oh, perfect. We can put this in here, and now that's nice. Look at that. So it is growing, and in 8 days we will see what it is. So I'm not sure, but I think there will be a Christmas tree here, but maybe not. So we will see. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I will try to put up my next video tomorrow and not in 3 days. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.